Everyone, today in this video we're going to discuss about type of circulation. So we have three type of circulation. Number one is single type circulation. Single circulation. Another we have double circulation. And third we have incomplete double circulation. Incomplete double circulation. Okay, so before going through that, let me tell you about some of animals that who do possess the single circulation, who possess double, and who possess incomplete circulation. So as here I am going to tell you animals. So animals are basically divided into two groups. Number one is non-chordata and other are chordata. So chordata we have basically five, we can say chordates. Number one we have fish. Second we have amphibians. Amphibians. Third we have reptiles. Fourth we have birds. And fifth we have mammals. So these are basically five categories or chordates which come in animal. Now here, as you can see, this number one, which is fish. Fish possess the incomplete single circulation. Fish possess the single circulation. And if I do talk about the amphibians and reptiles, so they both contain the incomplete double circulation. Incomplete double circulation. बाकी birds and mammals, so these birds and mammals do possess double circulation. So now let's discuss these circulations in even more detail. So first circulation which I'm going through that, which is single circulation. Okay, so here I'm going to tell you about the single circulation first. Now as I told you that single circulation basically take place in what? Single circulation take place in fish. So here if I should draw a diagram of fish. Okay, so here I have drawn diagram of fish. So as in our body we have the lungs. So in the fish, instead of lungs we have gills. Okay, instead of lungs, gills are present. Gills are present, and gills act as a lungs. As in the human body we have lungs, and in the fish we have gills. Now here we have what? In the fish we have two chambers. In the fish we have two heart chambers. Those are here. These are two heart chambers. So first of all, how the we can say circulation take place in the fish. So this is basically like this. First we have what? A heart have two chambers which carry deoxygenated blood. Carry deoxygenated blood, and that again goes to gills. Now with the help of gills, this whole blood with the help of gills, now in the gills, from the gills the oxygenated blood will be passed throughout the body. Oxygenated blood passed throughout the body. So this means here we have only single circulation, means from the heart to the gills only deoxygenation take place, and from the gills do give the oxygen to body parts. it will not directly move again into, as in the human body it moves atrium. So as here we have only the two chambers, so the deoxygenated blood will come from the heart to the gills, and will gills will supply the oxygenated blood to or throughout the body. So this is the single type circulation. So now let's move towards incomplete circulation. Tell you incomplete circulation. Incomplete double circulation. Okay, so this is the incomplete double circulation. So this incomplete double circulation, it will take place in amphibians and reptiles. Amphibians and reptiles. But here we have most common reptile, which is crocodile, in which we can say double circulation take place, not incomplete double circulation take place, only double circulation take place. Except this reptile, baki all reptile take incomplete double circulation take place. So this is here we have exception. Fine. So now let's see how the incomplete double circulation take place in these. Okay. So as they have basically the three chambers. They contain three chambers, which include two atrium and one ventricle. Two atrium and one ventricle. So as you can see in the human body, first the blood goes into this is the right atrium, left. Okay, here we have only the one ventricle. So first the blood goes into the right atrium deoxygenated, then it will go to the, we can say, ventricle. So again from the ventricle, this deoxygenated blood move to the lungs. Now as from the lungs the oxygenated blood come into the left atrium, it will again go into the same ventricle, because as they contain only one ventricle. So this means here we have somehow deoxygenated blood too and oxygenated blood too. So this mixed oxygenated and deoxygenated blood will, we can say, pass, will goes in body. Fine. So this is incomplete circulation because here it contains only one ventricle. So here we have oxygenation and deoxygenation, both blood together, mixed blood goes throughout the body. Now we are coming towards, we can say, human, or sorry, double circulation, which take place in humans or birds. So here I'm going to tell you double circulation. So first of all, what basically the double circulation is, the blood comes into right atrium. Let me draw the diagram of heart. Here we have right atrium, here we have right ventricle, here we have left atrium, here we have left ventricle. So first of all the blood comes into right atrium by the vena cava, by the vena cava. Which blood come deoxygenated. Fine, when the deoxygenated blood comes into right atrium, so it will move into the ventricle, right ventricle. After that, from right ventricle, this deoxygenated blood goes into lungs. As we have here lung. So from the lungs, the oxygenated blood come into left atrium, and the oxygen blood come into the left atrium. So here is, I can write the oxygenated blood. Okay, so it will go into, we can say, left ventricle, and from this ventricle it will move out by the aorta to the different parts of body, or throughout the body the blood will circulate throughout the body. So this is how the double circulation take place, because here no oxygenation, deoxygenated and oxygenated blood are not mixed. However, here we have four chambers, so everyone perform their own function. So as I told you, the exception which was crocodile. So crocodile basically contain four chambers. So that's why in the crocodile the double circulation take place. Double circulation. So I hope so that these all three type of circulations are clear to you guys. So in the next video we're gonna discuss about human heart, the anatomy of human heart. Till that, bye bye.